So wondering if you should work with a real estate agent? Here are 4 smart reasons to seek expert advice. Number 1, you'll be receiving expert assistance during this challenging process. Whether buying or selling, any real estate transaction has many steps, and missing any one of them can complicate your transaction. A real estate agent will ensure your transaction is a smooth one. Number 2, your agent is familiar with local market and comparables. Ensure that the real estate agent you decide to work with is a full-time professional and not doing this as a hobby or a side hustle. Someone who does this every day will ensure that no time or money is wasted on possibly one of the most important transactions of your life. Number 3, they can make use of important industry connections. Any real estate transaction has many parties, such as lenders, attorneys, inspectors, etc. The key for a smooth transaction is competent partners. A great real estate agent will have a list of competent, vetted partners to ensure a smooth transaction for their clients. Number 4, your agent has important tools and resources. Any real estate agent has access to MLS listings. However, a great real estate agent will have systems in place to ensure that you find your perfect home. So, do you have any more questions about how a great real estate agent can ensure a smooth transaction? If so, leave them in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your home buying journey, give us a call.